Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 GT3, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their exotic series. And let me tell you guys, this is only one in the entire box. So I'm lucky that I'm able to get this one because I went through the box by myself. Luckily no one actually touched that box when I went to that shop. Okay, so with that said, let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So my initial impressions are this looks really awesome. The red looks really popping, and dude, this looks really gorgeous. And again, I'm happy that actually they put some kind of fiber for the headlights instead of just painting it out. The rims looks really nice. So it is mentioned, yes, HW 2023. I know HW is Hot Wheels. I don't know about what the S is. If you guys know what it means, please let me know in the comments. I'm not sure. And this is actually the 2023 pack. So I think the chassis is from 2021, I guess. It still looks really awesome. Hey, let's see how it rolls. Okay, it rolls smooth. Yeah, it rolls smooth and nice. And this looks really awesome. And the casting is really good, and the paint job is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.